Very warm welcome to all of you. In this video, I will do technical analysis of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and some other major coins. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Here you can see this is the CoinGecko page of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin currently at $37,624 level, and it gained 4.2%. Now, what is the next target for me of Bitcoin? Let me please show you the chart. Here you can see this is the Bitcoin 1 hour Binance chart, and I was in my previous video I was told you Bitcoin must have to hit this target, which was at $39,497, and here you can see Bitcoin how beautifully it hit this target and hit this resistance level, which is at 38,713. And if you was in this trade, then you definitely get 160% profit. Very many congratulations to all of you who took this trade. Now, what is next? I think Bitcoin must have to hold this trend line, downtrend line. Here you can see this is the major support line for the Bitcoin right now. If Bitcoin break this, then definitely it will go down. Maybe it will going to hit $34,000 or $35,000. But no, trend is over, friend, and you can say Bitcoin definitely is going to hit some other levels and some other price targets. Let me please show you. And here you can see Bitcoin is currently in this ascending wedge, and if Bitcoin break this towards downside, actually this is a bearish pattern, unfortunately, but maybe we can see some actions like this, and maybe Bitcoin is definitely it is going to hit this level again, $38,500 level, and maybe it will go to hit this level, which is at $40,100 level, and after that maybe we can see some rejections from that point. But my target is $41,200 level, but this is the resistance level. $40,000 level, 38,500 is the major resistance level, and you can say 38,700 to 38,500 is the major resistance level. And after that, if Bitcoin break this and close 4-hourly candle above this level, then definitely it is going to hit $40,100 level in very soon, very soon. And after that, maybe we may see some dip on the Bitcoin price. Here you can see this is the pattern, and this is a bearish pattern. I think this is the bearish pattern, of course. And if Bitcoin break this, hit this level, $40,000 level, and break this towards upside, in the bull run, Bitcoin can do this, and Bitcoin can definitely hit new all-time high. But let me please calculate the I think very trusted, you can say very reliable target that will be reliable for me, and that I can trust on this level, on this target. Sorry for that. Let me please took this tool. Here you can see maybe we can see this move, and Bitcoin will hit this level. We have to wait for this, I think, $42,500 level. But for this, Bitcoin should have to remain in this channel. And let me please move this channel towards upside, and here you can see this will be the scenario if Bitcoin do this. And currently this downtrend line is very important, and if Bitcoin break this from that point, $37,300 or $37,100 level, then definitely it will go down to hit this level again, $34,800 level. But but for me, in immediate short term, I think Bitcoin definitely will have to hit $38,600 level, and after that definitely it will going to hit 40,000. These are the two targets for me right now: $38,600 and $40,000 level, price level. And maybe after that we may see some rejection, but technically my target is at this price target, $42,500 level. And let me please show you my next chart, because this is very important video. I will definitely going to tell you many coins. Here you can see this is the Ethereum chart. In my previous video I was told you that Ethereum definitely is going to hit this level, and how beautifully Ethereum hit my target. My target was $1,694 level, and here you can see this was the trade of let me please show you. If you took this trade from that point, $1,450, I was told you that this was a resistance level. Then you took 168% if you used 10x leverage. Many congratulations to all of you who took this trade. Now what is the next for me? Let me please tell you. Let me please remove some drawings from the chart. Here you can see Ethereum is currently in this banner type, not perfect, but I think it will hit this target. Let me please tell you next target for the Ethereum right now. Our next target for the Ethereum is that level. 1784 is the next target for me in Ethereum. And if I put, if I draw a horizontal ray at a resistance point, here you can see this is the resistance point. This is the resistance point for the Ethereum right now. And if I do this, and if I calculate this area, then let me please tell you my next medium term target, I can say. The trend is over, friend, until end. Please remember this. $1,947 and 1,784. These are two current targets for me right now in Ethereum. And if Ethereum rejects from that point, which is at 1,694, then definitely we may see some sideways action, and after that definitely Ethereum is going to hit this level. I think this is very important level, and Ethereum must have to hit this 1950, you can say $1950 level. You have to wait for this. Ethereum can definitely do this, and here you can see this is the these are the two targets for me right now in Ethereum chart. Let me please tell you my next coin, which is XRP. Here you can see this is the Ripple chart, and this is the 1 hour chart of Ripple. Ripple is creating a ascending triangle, not very clear, but I think it will. It is a ascending triangle, and if we calculate very carefully, then our next target will be, if break towards upside, then our target will be, let me please show you. Let me please label on this. $0.49 is the next target for me right now in the Ripple, and if Ripple break this downtrend line, then definitely this trend line is at $0.38 level. If Ripple break this downtrend line, then definitely it is going to hit this level, $0.33 level. You can say 33 cents level, price level, and these are the two targets. I think it must have to go up, and it will have to hit $0.49 level. Let me please show you my next chart, which is the Litecoin chart. Here you can see. In my previous video, I was told you that Litecoin must have to hit this target, and here you can see Litecoin hit this target, and this is the target of approximately, let me please tell you, from that point to that point. It was the trade of 88% or 90%. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade. And now what is next in Litecoin? I think Litecoin next target for me is that level, which is at $168 level. Definitely Litecoin must have to do this. If unfortunately Litecoin break this ascending broadening wedge towards downside, then let me please show you my target, but I think it will go up, because this is the major resistance is at major support level, which is at $144. $145 to $148 level. If Litecoin break this resistance support level and break this downtrend line, then next target will be the beginning of this broadening channel, which is at $125. These are the two targets for me right now. First target is $168 level, and the bearish target, I think, which is less likely for me, is $125 level. Let me please show you my next chart, which is the Link coin, Chainlink. Here you can see. In my previous video, I was told you that Litecoin was in this falling channel or descending channel, and here you can see how perfectly Chainlink hit my target. And now what is next for the Chainlink right now for me? Congratulations to all who took this trade. Let me please tell you my next target. For this, we have to draw some lines. I think this is the major support line for the Chainlink right now. If Chainlink break this and break this zone, which is at currently 23.5 or you can say $23 level, then definitely it will go down to hit this level, $21.5 level. But I think Chainlink have to respect this level, this trend line, and here you can see this is the beautiful trend line, and Chainlink must have to hit. I think the next target for me in Chainlink is $26, you can say, is the next target for me in Chainlink. Let me please show you my next chart. This is ADA USDT. Here you can see in my previous video I was told you ADA must have to hit this, Cardano must have to hit this target, and how beautifully Cardano hit this target, which was at $0.41 level. And now what is next? Congratulations to all of you who took this trade of Cardano. Let me please tell you next target. Cardano is currently in this rising channel, or you can say this is the rising channel or ascending channel, you can say, and currently is in this ascending triangle too. I think this is the bullish pattern, and ascending triangle is the bullish pattern. If break this towards upside, then definitely it is going to hit this level again, and which is 0.49, you can say $0.40 level. This is the target. But for this, Cardano must have to respect this downtrend line, which is at $0.41 level. If Cardano break this downtrend line and close overly candle below this downtrend line, then definitely Cardano will go down to hit this level, which is at $0.397 level, or you can say $0.38 level. Currently, I am not sure that Cardano will go down. I think Cardano price will go up and it will hit this level and break this resistance level, which is at $0.45 level, and definitely it is going to hit 0.49 or you can say $0.50 level. Let me please show you my next chart. Polkadot, very important chart currently to all of you. Let me please remove some drawings and have to, here you can see. Let me please wait, because I am making the video, and that is why. Here you can see Polkadot is currently in this ascending triangle, and if break this ascending triangle towards the downside, then on our next target will be $16 price level. And if Polka respect this very strong support line, which is at $19.5 level, then definitely it will go up and it will hit this level. I think this is the level we have to wait. $23 level, 22.5 or $23 level. because this is a bearish pattern, and to be very honest, if Polkadot break this downtrend line and break this support zone, then definitely it is going to hit this level 17.6, or maybe it will going to hit this level 15.8. Let me please draw immediate short-term target. If Polka break this, let me please show you. If Polka break this from that point or from that point, then next target for me is at $18.2 level is the next target for me in Polkadot. And if Polkadot respect this level and hit and pull back, and then definitely it is going to hit this level, which is at $22.5 level. These are two targets. Situation is not very strong for Polkadot right now, because here you can see this is the major resistance level is at $21.7 level. Let me please show you my next chart, which is the BNB coin, Binance coin. In my previous video, I was told you that Binance is in this bull flag, and here you can see Binance break this bull flag toward the upside, and it hit this level 54.3. My next target for the Binance coin is the same target, which is at $58 level. And if I calculate the technical lines, if I draw the technical lines, then our next target, let me please show you. I think it will hit, it will definitely hit this level, $58 level, and after that maybe we see some rejection, and after that it will going to hit this support zone, which is at $47 level. Let me please show you my next chart. 1 inch USDT. Here you can see very strong pull upside trend. Here you can see, and now it is struggling to break this downtrend line, but unfortunately, luckily it fails, and it is going to up, and it is going to hit this level, which is at $5.50 level. If Polkadot break this upside resistance, then definitely, let me please tell you my next target. The next target for the Polkadot is that level, which is at $7.81 is the next target for me right now for Polkadot. Immediate short-term target is $5.50 level, and after that definitely it will going to hit $7.8 level. Let me please show you my next chart. Friend, please show your support, and please like this video, and please share this video to all of your friends, because I do technical analysis to all of you, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, because I think you will definitely get some decent targets, decent trading targets, and definitely it will hit. Here you can see Dogecoin is creating a W pattern, a very beautiful W pattern. Let me please show you. This is the Dogecoin chart. Here you can see. This is the neckline of Dogecoin. If Dogecoin break this neckline, then our next target will be this zone 0.095. This is the target, and if Dogecoin break this downtrend line, then definitely it is going to hit this level, which is at 0.031. These are two targets. I think Dogecoin must have to hold this downtrend line. If break this, which is at 0.044, then definitely it is going to hit 0.032 or $0.03 level. This is the video, friend. Please join my YouTube channel. Please join my Telegram channel, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative content and very useful information. And if you want to trade these coins on Binance Exchange, then go to in this video's description, where you can get the link of Binance coin, Binance Exchange and Bybit Exchange. click on these links and create your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to get $600 bonus, just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. And thanks for the watching, friends.